Hello, we are here at IHOP in Crystal City, and we are getting ready to head down to Manassas to Rolling Kitchens to look at our food truck. We are so excited. We'll see you soon. Alrighty, we getting ready to get on the road here. Got about a 45-minute drive to Manassas to visit Rolling Kitchens to see the start of our food truck journey. See you soon. Alright, so we are here. We're gonna stop first at El Hajj. They're gonna do our wrap, so we're gonna go ahead and meet with them first and then go see the food truck. All right, so we could put the bigger, our mom's face there, the name, maybe a QR code too.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can do that. I mean, we have quite a bit of space.
Yeah, that's a lot of space.
I always say like doable.
Yeah, we wanted like a retro vibe too. Now we're going to look. Be a FedEx truck. That's pretty cool. Hello. You mind being filmed? Do you mind being filmed? I just want to. Yes, want to show. This is the. So he's the electrician.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
He put the body. He put the all wiring furnace around the truck before they start to build the walls.
That makes sense.
Insulation. Very quick. They have to know which one what is it. I mean.
Okay. Okay. So this is the inside. Wow. All that's gonna be, that's amazing. All right, you got a better view of the truck. We had it pulled out into the street. So this is the shell. The wiring has already been done. Again, we are excited about this. Rolling with Mrs. Joe. Yep. This is it.